Hello, today we're looking at an Ingersoll Rand model UP6-10-125 air compressor, brought to you by Lanco. Unit is rated for 38 CFM, 90 PSI, and is wired at 230 volts. Overall dimensions are 54 inches long by 29 inches wide by 61 inches high. It runs very well and is very quiet, which we'll see here in a second when I turn it on. Unit currently has 10,034 hours, an 80-gallon air tank there on the bottom. Does have auto start stop control, and the max PSI is actually 125 and the pump speed 3950 RPM. We'll now take a look inside and power it up. And here we go. If you're interested in this unit, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.